When it comes to the three upcoming concept cars Audi Skysphere, Audi grandsphere, and Audi urbansphere, the brand is placing the space that surrounds the passengers and which becomes an experience for them, the interior, at the center of its designs. This is because all three vehicles are designed for level 4 autonomous driving, meaning that in certain defined road and traffic situations, the driver can delegate complete responsibility to the car and no longer has to intervene. As a result, control elements such as the steering wheel and pedals can be swiveled into an invisible position and thereby completely removed from the interior. And passengers, including the one in the front left seat, can enjoy a new form of freedom, the freedom to relax in the open air. Enjoy the scenery and the wind, or interact with the internet in the world thanks to the connection with the digital ecosystem in the Audi Skysphere. Large touch monitor surfaces, 1,415mm wide, 180mm high, on the dashboard and in the upper area of the center console are used to operate the vehicle and infotainment systems. In Grand Touring mode, this can be used to display content from the internet, video conferences, or streamed movies. Small touch panels in the doors are used to operate the air conditioning. A high-quality sound system, befitting of this luxury convertible, delivers concert hall audio quality even when the vehicle is in motion. The speakers are hidden behind the door panels. A few more in the rear interior wall even produce surround sound. The shape of the headrests prevents turbulence and also annoying wind noise.